time for the Chaos lobby. Also, the box redeem has been updated, so you guys should try that out. I'm gonna put on some Gooby music, and then we will host. Oh, I've been boxed. No. See if I can find some Gooby music. Gooby music. This is like okay. Alright, that's not too bad. Ooh, this one's called Glorpy Basslines for Getting Wobbly. What the? You need me to turn that on or something? Just put it on Snorlax. I'm trying to find the perfect playlist for this game. Okay, we have to be. I can't do. We'll do the rely on the bottom. All right. Password. Neo is fat. Who came up with that password? Server name. Neo. Okay, password. Max players. How many people can I fit? Yeah. Oh, 24 is the max. Okay. Is this playlist wacky enough, Cinnamon? There we go. Okay, guys. The password is not fat, not round. I set the max players to 24, and the server name is Goober Time. I'm also gonna take a picture of this and put it. Oh, wait, I have to use my other computer. I'm gonna put a picture of this in hyperspace. That way, in case you guys lose it. And then if people are dumb and stream snipe, then we're just gonna play something else. So, you know, don't be that guy. Don't stream snipe, okay? You drew me in a slug cat. Oh, come big. Alright, let's see here. The game mode. We'll do increasing tag. Ammo limit. Is that a new thing? What happens if you miss 5 shots? You just die? I guess we'll find out. Has wardrobe on? Maybe. I think I'm so fat that the hoodie is underneath me, so. So far we got 5 people, by the way. Yeah, game has had some updates. There we go. Thank you, Angry Protogen. Okay, Halo Banshee. So far we only have 5 people. Do I need to put the details on screen again? Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna make it so my voice chat is not, we're not doing voice chat. Okay, yeah, we're not doing voice chat. No voice chat. Oh, we got way more than 5 people. I think that number is erroneous. I think that number is fake. That number is not right. There is more than 5. Can I set the map to random? Yes. Okay, yeah, set the map to random. No, I don't really want to get streamer mic'd. The people are fake? They placed clones? Do I need to put the details on press Q? What does pressing Q do? Oh. Oh, I see. I'll put the details. Let me see here, the details. There. I put them in the general chat of the Discord server. There you go. I need some stupider music. We've got 6 people now. Six or seven? 6 or 7? 6, 7? 6, 7? 6, 7? 6 and then 7? 6, 7? Oh, hell yeah! 6, 7? 6, 7? 6, 7? 6 and then 7. When we get 10 people, I'll start round 1. And then people can join on the next round. By the way, the cheese redeem has been updated, and so has the box redeem. Why are you slapping me with cheeses? What even is that pose? Flowery? The glue! Darius, I'm just inviting everybody to play Meccha Chameleon, and then afterwards I might play a chill game. Okay, I think I'm gonna start the first round. Let's get this show on the road. It's time to get this show on the road. Little known fact about me, I love to cook. Huh. I'll show this one more time. Little known fact about me, I love to cook. Should I have waited? Oh, I'm the hunter. I'm the hunter. It's up to me. If I find you, I'm gonna eat ya. If I find you, I'm gonna eat you. You're gonna be yummy yummy in my tummy tummy. That's right. How do I like chat? Is it like text chat? This game doesn't have text chat, does it? Oh, it does. For free? Please, no! Don't eat me, Mr. Streamer! No, don't put me in the box! Box. Okay. Ooh, this is a modded map, I think. Wait. Blue Rush, you're not very good at this game. You are hiding incorrectly. Wait, how do I aim? How do I shoot? I can't shoot them. What? What do you mean I broke it? What? What? Messed up high? These are the default settings! Whatever, I turned the ammo limit off. Ammo limit is stupid. It's fish preferred! Oops, that's kind of stupid. Okay, here we go. I will eat you, Kaizen. You can't escape from me. You can't escape me, banana! Prepare to die! I'm the hunter again? This happens a lot for some reason. Do I look like I know what a kilometer is? I just want a picture of my gosh dang hot dog. Hi, Panther. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, we're in Candyland. We gotta find all these goobers. Well, I see one. Rip in peace, Dewdrop. Eclipse has arrived. Boom, 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 boom. What the heck? Sorry, fish preferred. Sorry, Blue Rush. This is a common hiding spot over here. But I guess no one's in there. Oh, I love this song. I love this song. This is such a good song. I'm stuck! I got stuck on the candy. Dude, we're getting a lot of YouTube subs right now. Oh, hold on. Three hiders left. Do you guys think I would get stuck on some candy, or do you think I could eat everything here? Doop, doop, boop, boop. You know what? I think Kirby would love this game. I hear them. The whistlers. Two hiders left. Doop 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 doop. I heard it really far away. I heard it really far away. Darn, there's two guys left. We gotta find them. I'm listening so hard. Somewhere over there. What? I can hear them. I know they're like right around here. I think I heard it like that way, like in the wall? Oh, there's two guys left. Dang! Oh, Almighty Suck was in there. And one other person. Azzo! What? Duh. Horror. Hey, Double Dogs, did you see the fursuit video popped off, dude? We gotta do more fursuit ones. Jangle, jangle. It was a good video. Lumistera, my favorite! The Lumistera and the Maelstrom are my favorite. I just took my desk up to high mode. I'm standing now. Yes, Fursuit Friday, yeah. Yep. If you want to join in, now is the best time, by the way. If you want to join in on the action, now is your chance, Reno. I'll put the stuff on screen one more time, the information. Here. There it is. You can now, there it is, right here. To join the game. No, don't turn me into a truck. Always with the trucking. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, here we go. Why am I a truck right now? Yeah, ka-chow. 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 Can I not go in there? Okay, let's paint. I love painting. I love to paint. Aw, man, they foundered me. Probably because of the whistling. Can I stop being a truck now? Dang, lots of people getting found. You know what, Night Dragons? I need to finish the Awawi. We do? Is it that we're both trucks? Cause that's crazy. Is it that we're both so good at painting? Thank you, Sunset. Now we both run on diesel? You're diesel powered? That's so interesting. Not anymore? You're no longer diesel powered? Hi, Cho is the otter. Welcome. Some of my avatars do have very big, generous shapes. It's true. Not all of them, just some of them. I noticed the head pats is not appearing on this one. Huh. Might have to fix that later. Are you, you're a boat sometimes? Maybe the hair is too big, you know? Fish preferred got found. I am already the Chibi Jin, I think. Reese has been discovered. I think this is a difficult map. This is the Chibi Jin. Thanks for the follow! Cho is the otter. I actually have an otter avatar. It's pretty good. But I have lots of characters you could turn me into. I'm gonna give people a minute to join up. So if you wanna join, here you go, here's the code. You can join in here. Can be sometimes. This one's not an otter. This is like a dragon. I do use a standing desk, yes, but sometimes I sit down. So right now, my standing desk goes up and down, and I have a office chair and I spin around. Oh, I need to hide. I'm choosing a gutsy location. It'll be really funny if I survive like 100 seconds like this. Which thing, Kaizen? What are you trying to do? Mm-hmm. I'm adding a little bit of texture. I hope I get lots of points here. If I don't get a lot of points for hiding here, I'm gonna be mad. Can I become a helicopter with the chair? Maybe. What do you guys think? What do you think of my hiding spot? I think that's pretty good. Hi, Alloy Foxy, welcome. Helicopter, helicopter. Wow! Yeah! Look at my spot. I think I did pretty good right there, actually. No! They got me! You know what? I made it past 100 seconds. I got a lot of points. Look, I got 1,600 points. Nah, Reese isn't the type to stream snipe. I think most people in my community are good sports. They're not the type to stream snipe. Probably. I wish I had a giant cookie. Like a big soft one. Guys, crunchy cookies or soft cookies? Important question. Can we have a poll? Crunchy coffee cookies or soft chewy ones? Both? Like, uh-oh. Oh, we got them. Okay, we got them. I was going for points. Crunchy with milk? Oh, you know what? That's valid. Yes, thank you, mods. I didn't want to get it because the sugar, as though the sugar would have taken me out. Reese, what gave me away? Check out the new game mode. What is this? What the fuck? What is this? Okay. Fuck it. Whatever this is. I'm gonna give people a chance to log in though. To connect. So, there you go. There's the details. Reverse chicken race. Oh my god, it's Martinist! Yay! How's it going? Yeah, I'm kind of a big deal. You know, many more are learning this about me, but basically, when it comes to streaming, I'm pretty much a big deal. Hi Alley Cat. I heard you were having a good time with that IR 170 that we got you. Alright, that's probably long enough. Okay, good luck on whatever this is. Oh, I've been flattened! No, they flattened me! I'm flat! I've been turned into a flat! Martinist, how was your stream? I've been TF'd into a flat. Whoa. Oh, we have to find, citric acid? Yes. That's vitamin C. Okay, I guess we're supposed to find somebody. Okay, we have to find one. Find them before they score points. Oh. We gotta find that person who's bending over. I did it! I found him! Oh my god, I've got 500 points! Stepping over. Oh, stepping back. This guy looks like a dead poo-poo. Oh, damn, somebody found him already, jeez. Cinnamon, I know you're better than this. Another bending over guy. Nothing like a bending over white guy. Okay.
Was it something I said? Must have been the wind.
Dude, I just like bounce across the map. Ooh, somebody got him. Uh-oh, Storm is winning. Most people want soft cookies, apparently. Interesting. Okay, we got a red guy, a crouching red guy this time. Dude, sometimes I can move really fast and I don't know why. Dang! So far, Storm is doing the best. Ooh, a sassy poop-colored guy. A sassy poo-poo. They'd be like, lay me out like one of your dog turds in the yard. Damn, that was fast! Oh, you guys are too quick. Oh, my standing poo-poo. Or a skeleton, maybe? It was some of a skeleton. Dang. Oh, I see. They're trying to be a gingerbread guy, but not really working very good. Yellow. Okay. Yellow time. It's time for yellow. Yellow like pee-pee. Thank for YouTube sub. Thank you. Yellow. Where is yellow? Oh my god, they were in the cake. I think I'm gonna do the best. I think my hiding spot's gonna be awesome. Sassy. Oh. Okay, Azzo. That was kind of... Azzo, come on, Azzo. That was... Ooh, look at this smug poo-poo. Nothing personal, kid. Poops behind you. That's what that one looks like. They're probably a gingerbread guy. Nothing personal, kid. Poops behind you. Jerona. Okay, I genuinely think I've got the best hiding spot, actually. I think mine's goated. We're all sprinting to the fridge for this one. It's just a race to the fridge. Unless this is like the biggest bait in the world. This could be the biggest bait. No, yep, no, he's just on the fridge. First one there. Jerona! Glue! This guy must... Wow. 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 Man, I'm getting tired of these cake guys. I've had enough of the cake guys. Oh. Damn. These cake guys are really annoying. I hate them. Really hate these cake guys. They're just... Instead of cake... What? No! Cynic, you're cheating! Stop wave cheating. This guy's holding a TV. Dude, has anybody managed to be hidden for more than 30 seconds? Holy crap. We're gonna cycle the game modes. We'll do one different game mode every time. Shit!
No!
Okay. Yeah, there we go. I just barely made it in time. Okay. I'm Metroid Prime on a mission to find Samus Aran in this desolate wasteland. Kirby.com or something. I don't know. Think up on the normal latest game version. Probably. I don't know. People are getting found. Wow. This gingerbread man died. They are drowned. Okay, so far I have found 2 guys. You know what? I have been hitting random and I am getting the candy level every time. What's up with that? Why have we been getting the candy map every time? Thank you, Angry Protogen. Do you think... How cute do I have to be for people to subscribe? Thanks for the follow. Subscribe. Okay, found 3 people. Doing not too bad. Hi, Light Whisker. Yeah, there's different game modes. I found Storm. Okay, okay. Just need to find, like, all of the rest of them. Well, that's okay, Light Whisker. You know, I appreciate that some people come through to be in the chat even if they can't play the games. Actually, I need that a little bit. I need people like you. Otherwise, I couldn't exist. I would starve and die. I'd have to get a job at Costco. Which, you know, in hindsight, maybe that's not so bad, but still. Are you like a zombie, Mars? Are you okay? Dang, I am not doing too good. I'm not hitting it right now. That's kind of sad. Cinnamon? That's kind of freaked up. Uh-oh, I am loser maxing right now. Do you enjoy avatar gambling? I am, like, not doing it. Cynic has found the most people.
Am I dumb? Do I have I am the stupid?
I have to hide. Thank you. Darn, this spot doesn't work. Thinking. Maybe I should be cardboard instead. This isn't working. It doesn't like the invisible wall there. There's like an invisible wall that is triggering the clipping. I thought I could go over these boxes and make something happen, but nope. No, being the wall is bad because of the way they round the corner. I could try being the other wall. Oh my god, I just got so lucky. I just got so lucky. What the heck? Hell yeah, Demented. OMG, how? E the floor. Right. You're right. That looks about right. Yep. Yep. What's up, Garen? How you doing? Oh, good grief, Cactus. Wowie zowie. Have you been streaming lately, Garen? My favorites are the Maelstrom and the Lumistera, but they're all good. Mass Effect sounds like something that would happen on my stream. Diabetosaur said, I'm a bottle of bleach. Do you think I could have some of that money late in winter? I could really use it. I would put it to good use. If I had that much money, I would become an even better VTuber. That's what I would do with that money. Okay, I'm gonna put up the code so people can try to join one more time. Here are the details so you can play with us! Oh yeah! Wow! Everybody gets to play today! Oh my gosh! Yeah, we do. What would I do with 1832? If it's DDR4 RAM or DDR5 RAM, of course, Angry Pudge, and I put it to good use. If it was, older kinds of RAM, I think it's probably just garbage. It's probably just garbage. I have an idea for a really good stream redeem, by the way. If I use StreamerBot, I could make a redeem called Flowery. And it could just be one of Flowery's random stupid voice lines. Then people can just redeem it all the time. Glue! No, I would just sell the RAM Artificer. I think. Girona! Girona! Flowery, glue, skateboarding, diner, Girona. I don't want to be flowery like that, probably. I don't know if there is a 3D flowery. I'm such a painter. I am paint maxing right now. Painting. This is the music that plays when I'm using the crayons. Mom says it's my turn with the jumbo Crayola crayons. I'm tired of using the Rosard ones. Yeah. Somebody looked right at me. What's up, Star Kitty? Welcome. How have you been doing lately? Stealthing. Stealth. Well, the Backrooms has a lot of different new stuff in it. Hmm. 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 Guys, did you see that? They went right past me. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Here they come. Uh-oh. Damn it! I was the last one! No! I almost made it to the end! Damn! Hi, Bonka! Thank you for being a Twitch sub. Mmm. Do you guys want to do... I think that mode is fast, so I'm going to do that one twice. And then we'll go back around to reverse chicken again. Do you think they caught on to me because I was laughing too much? Oh. I am hider. Nah, I'm not hiding on the ground. I don't think hiding on the ground is very good. Hold on, I'm locked in right now. I'm locked in right now. Shit! I like to hide in more seen places because it's more exciting than trying to find some stupid hole. Hey, sometimes it is Star Kitty because you get like way more points, but also if somebody just has a 4K monitor, it's kind of tough. I wonder if I wouldn't have been seen if I wasn't actively trying to paint myself more. Ooh, the Volper. Dang. Oh! I am a proto girl now. I'm surprised we're not getting more people in the lobby, to be honest. I am surprised. Dude, me too, Cinnamon. I have lots of outdated characters. Second worm. Everyone's purple now. Deb. Hangy Hotel. Dang, I'm like too shiny. There we go. Invisible. 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 Oh, I just realized my strategy is gonna be terrible on this map because it gives the guy away at the beginning. Oh no! Oh no! Oops! I have made a mistake. No, it's 4:45. I have made a tremendous error. I have made a tremendous error. I have made a tremendous error. You know what would be the craziest thing would be to gaslight people with your location? Is to color yourself like something and then hide in a place that is not like that thing at all. Yep. Ooh, a shiny guy. Like balloon somewhere. Ah, there it is. Hiding up there.
A little bit of poo-poo. A little poopy. Dookie time!
I think it's funny how the furniture in this place has penguin feet. So even the couches have like penguin feet. The otter! Yeah! Oh, clothing, thanks! I like having clothes. Being naked is cringe. Dude! What?! That's a bullcrap! Ryloth, welcome! Thank you for rating us! How are you doing? Yeah, the steppies! What do you think? You like my steppies? I'm looking for another guy sticking their feet out of something. I have not found anybody this round, this game. I'm not doing too good. Ryloth, how was your stream? What are you guys doing today? We're doing a little bit of community. Anybody can join, by the way. Anybody can join. I put the details up in between games. Anybody can join. We're doing some Meccha Chameleon, and later I might be playing a chill game like RimWorld. Also, don't push wardrobe too many times because it'll turn me into a girl. Or do. Too late. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry, they says. Oh, cute. Damn, bunny, okay. Good grief, Wonka. Do you think it's gonna be my turn soon? Yellow? You guys definitely shouldn't spam wardrobe as much as possible. I'm looking at the... Ah, there it is. You like my shoes? Who could this guy be? This person looks annoying. Dang it, they all knew it gave it away! It gave it away in this mode! It's difficult, it's kind of challenging. I'm not very good at this game sometimes. Especially this mode. Do not do that, Layden. Gamers never look up, that's true, but also sometimes they're just under stuff. Thank you for the YouTube sub! Okay. Let's do some more. By the way, anybody can join us, so I'm gonna put the details on the screen. Here are the details. The password is not fat, not round. Anyone can join. Just don't be a stream sniper, be a good sport. I trust you guys. Anybody can join. I'm on my office chair being stupid. I'm kind of dizzy now. Black knife. Okay, Raloth. More time? Maybe. There, I made it a little better for hiders. No, I'm not giving people 30 years to hide. No! 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 Clothing, thank you! I've always wanted to wear clothes! So 29 years is on the table then. Oh, I didn't get to paint myself. Crap. Oh no. Oh no. I forgot. It's not one of the ones where you could paint. Oh shit. Music a little loud, maybe. I turn it down. I'll take that as a compliment, Angry Potogen. I am not going to reveal my age. Nope. All I will say is that I'm young enough to make 6-7 jokes, but old enough to rent a car in California. And also I pay way too much in taxes. My voice is epic. I should like voice act a character in like a show or something. $60? Well, if I was 60, could I do this? Please stop. That wall is suspicious. Why did under here look so weird? Neo, keep amping up the cringe. You guys haven't seen anything yet. Just wait until somebody subscribes. It's the link to the 18+ Discord server. That bucket is going crazy mode. Why do I hear splooshy splashies? What the heck? Why do I hear splashy noises? Buffalo Hero, thank you for the sub! I get lots of food when people sub. Z fighting. I might not be good at this map. Dang. Oh, Cinnamon was way back here. I should have got him. Demented was in the truck? Yeah, I have streamer brain, so approximately 50% of my brain and my eyeballs is dedicated to looking at the chat. But that's okay, because we're having fun. If anybody wants to join, now is your chance. We're doing 2 more rounds. Then I'm gonna have sit down time and play a sit down game. I'm also gonna check on my Borbos. My Borbos. The Borbos? We put the Borbos in basically new cages outside sometimes. What's wrong with the Chibi Gen? I see. Let me take a look at that. Oh. There we go. I fixed it. Okay, we're only doing 2 more rounds and then I'm switching to a chill game. How are you guys making that noise? Brum 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 brum. This might be a horrible idea. Kinda. Shit! I think he saw me. Okay, Eclipse. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. Dude. I don't... ask a mod for help, Light Whisker, because that seems kind of weird. Uh-oh. 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 Let's go, Bonka. Oh. Why am I... What happened to my body? Why am I so big? I got stuck. I got stuck in fat mode from yesterday. Whoops. Oh, Demented saw them. I got cheese. Yeah, right now I don't have outfits on the cat, sorry. I might add them later. It is competitive Substance Painter. It's like CSGO Substance Painter Edition. What? This is the last one we're doing, and then I'm switching games. Okay, Fish Preferred, save some for me. Oh, I'm the hunter this time. I'm the hunter this time. After this round, I'm gonna finally sit down. I've been standing this whole time. Oh my goodness. Hmm. Um. Hum diddly dum. Man, it's up to me. I gotta find them. Uh-oh. What if I don't find anybody because I'm stupid? Oh no! Okay, I got one. Mr. Suck. I heard them. I heard the whistling. No. 35 FPS is probably not good for CS. I think you will have a hard time in that game at 35 frames per second. People who are playing that game are probably playing at like 240 FPS. That's too many FPS. I think 144 FPS is enough for pretty much almost anything. After that, it's kind of like there's the massive diminishing return. Massive. Yep. 144. That's how fast my monitor runs. Ishke, I know you're trolling. That's rage bait. That's bait. Guys, ignore them. That's bait. That is bait. No. Yeah, I know. I know. Rage bait meme. It is, but it's in the system, so technically it could be redeemed. My ankle? My ankles are awesome. You're just jealous of my incredible ankles. Dude, we're getting an insane amount of YouTube subs today. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube. What's up, Levin? Do, 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 do. 1 minute left. 2 people still hiding. Lumi's Tarot time! Hell yeah, forwards. Oh no, there's one person left. Where are they hiding? Where are they hiding? Where are they hiding? Aw, I was close. Okay, guys, GG's. We have been playing, perfect. Actually, we ended exactly on the 2-hour mark. So, 2 hours of Meccha Chameleon. I am gonna get something to drink, and then we're gonna play, some RimWorld. So, with the XP mod. And I'm gonna sit down for that game, because I'm tired of being on my feet.